Hey everyone. So as you would know, I just started my YouTube channel, and you post a few things and you're going to immediately get people responding and telling you all the things you did wrong, which is all good. Learned a few things that I didn't realize in the last couple of videos. So all I'm doing this time is mixing up some D76. So basically I have a new jug of water here that I just heated up. Right now it's almost 130 degrees. It's supposed to be between 120, 122 and 131 Fahrenheit. This is at almost 130, about 126. So what it is, I just have it in this container because it's hot. And what I like to do, transfer it over something I can actually mix it in. Hopefully it won't lose too much. Yeah, it's still hot. Alright, so 160, no, 64 fluid ounces on one. What I do then is I just like to mix it in this thing, staying pretty steady at 125. So basically the last video I did, I used the Ilford, and I was quickly corrected in the fact that it's not reusable. It's single use only. So that being said, I'm not going to mix things and throw them away every time. I'm going to at least use them a few times. That being said, I used the Ilford more than one time, and it worked fine. I know everybody's going to say that that's not the correct way to do it, and it's probably not. I'm also not a stickler and overly crazy about the process of everything. So basically all you got to do is just dissolve this stuff up. It takes a little while, which is probably why they have you do it so hot. It's a new jug of distilled water. Part of the learning process. This is not what I do for my daily clients. When it's mission critical, I actually let the pros do it. All right, believe it or not, that looks pretty good. So then what I do is I take that, it's not empty yet, I still have more to put in. And I'll transfer that into my my jug here for D76. Yeah, pretty much completely dissolved. Excellent. All right, so that's 64 ounces. I need another 64 ounces. Which is about exactly that. Perfect. Love it. Excellent. All right, so then I'll just make sure I get all the rest out of here. It's all dissolved in there, perfect. And that will do it. I basically use it just like this when I did my developing. I don't really dilute it further. Although maybe I'll give it a try now. since we're experimenting with all kinds of stuff. I'll leave this cool down till tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get to run some film then. I have a couple of rolls here that need to be developed of 35 right now. Maybe we can run those. Cool. That's it. Good to go. Right on. Nothing left in the bottom, so it's all good. Just make sure there's nothing left in here, just for the sake of it. I don't see anything swirling. Must be good to go. Alright guys, D76 mixed up, 100 and something degrees. Let's see if it held steady the whole time, just for the heck of it. Alright, we're passing the 120 mark, that's good. Almost still at 125, pretty good for transferring it back and forth 2 times. Cool. Alright, that's a wrap. Until next time, when we do some developing, I'll catch you later.